Zurn Industries. Today I'd like to introduce you to a very exciting new product from the Zurn Wilkins Group. It's called the Flood Control Integrated System, or the FCIS. Now, what it is a package that the engineers and the product managers here at Zurn Wilkins have put together as one combined package, but it's products that we've utilized in the past. It revolves around the Zurn Wilkins 300 series RP, meaning the 375A, your 375 AST, or lastly your 375 ASTR replacement reduced pressure principal assemblies, along with what we call the EST, an electronic solenoid timer, and a ZW206 solenoid control valve. Now, these were all components that were sold by Zurn Wilkins in the past, but they weren't as user-friendly as Zurn Wilkins wanted them to be. So they combined it all as one package. They set it up with quick connect fittings as far as the electrical goes, making it very easy for you to install this in the field. Now, to give you a rundown of what it really is and how it functions, again, we have the reduced pressure principal assembly. In this case, it's a 375 AST. On the relief valve, we have a patented relief valve monitor switch. That switch monitors the relief valve in a closed position. Again, we have an electronic solenoid timer and a ZW206 solenoid control valve. So the theory of operation is pretty straightforward. From the EST, we have voltage down to the relief valve itself. And as long as the relief valve's in a closed position, no current can flow any farther. But as soon as that relief valve begins to open up, internally a switch will make or close, meaning it now allows current to flow through the switch back up to the EST. Internally, we have a solenoid timer in there that we can adjust between, I believe it's 0 up to a minute, quite a broad spectrum, but here we recommend that you set it for about 10 seconds. What that's going to do is it's going to prevent the shutdown of water in the event that we have slight inlet pressure fluctuations. So when that relief valve opens up, again, current flows through the switch, goes to the timer. When the timer times out, it now sends current to the ZW206, shutting down the flow of water. In the accompanying sequence, you're going to see a 3-inch FCIS system actually plumbed in line and flowing water. Now, what had happened was the number one check valve was fouled in this system. When the flow downstream ceased, the relief valve opened up and really began to dump water on the order of about 225 gallons a minute. At that point in time, the relief valve switch closes. It triggers the whole FCIS system to basically shut down the flow of water. Now, in this video, you're looking at a 3-inch. Just imagine if this were an 8-inch assembly. The flow rate coming out of that relief valve could be on the order of 600 gallons a minute. So it wouldn't take very long to flood a mechanical room, and the FCIS prevents that from occurring. I'd like to take just a moment to summarize what the FCIS is all about. Again, it's a means of shutting off the water if we have catastrophic discharge from the relief valve of a reduced pressure principal assembly. But there are a couple other features here that are very valuable to you in the field. We have a manual override on the solenoid valve itself. So this solenoid valve could be closed or opened without any electricity being hooked up to the system. We can also set this system up in line, get it all ready to go without any coordination between the plumbing contractor and the electrician. We can install it, set it up, get it ready to go. The electrician can come in at a later date. And lastly, again, it's an integrated system that's all quick connect plugged, so that really takes the burden off of you folks out in the field. It's done here at Wilkins, it's tested at Wilkins, we're assured that it's going to work correctly and do its job. Now, if you need any more information about this, it's all available on Zurn.com. You can find specification sheets, order forms, instruction sheets. They'll tell you all about the FCIS system. We hope that you'll look at this system, and if you ever have a need for it and you want to use it and you do have questions, please give us a call. We're happy to talk to you about it. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our One Zurn YouTube channel. For more product information or to speak to a customer care representative, please visit our website at Zurn.com.